Hey y'all, so we got this all wet sanded and compounded. You know we used Start Level R, it's the best compound out there. Now we're gonna go in with the new Finish R that they just released not too long ago. So first I got me a nice fresh plush towel. You always want to shake the bottle. Okay. We're gonna take our 21 long throw. And you just want to put a few dots on here. Oh, well, shit. Well, I was just going to put a few dots on here, but this will be good enough. I start off on 2, and then I turn it all the way up to 6 once I have all the product worked into the gel coat. You'll actually see the clarity come once it's ready to be wiped off. So you just want to dot it on just like that. And this stuff goes a long way, so you do not want to use a lot. All right, now that we have it worked in, we're going to turn it up. I mean, it's amazing how smooth the surface is after you use this. Now, I still like to start Elevate, but the Finish R really does phenomenal on these dark colored gel coats. It works on white too. So if I had to choose which polish to use on white, I'd use Elevate. Alright. Alright, here's our finished product right here. It's nothing but a super reflection. Now if you look back here where I'm going to have to hit with the mini polisher, that's after compounding. We haven't even polished right there because you know this 21-inch polisher is not going to get up in that little corner area like that, so we're going to have to get out the Milwaukee. But I mean, that's amazing. Definitely for red gel coat. So I highly recommend you go and buy this stuff right now.